everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Open Secret Diary. And if you're new here, my name is Sapna. So today's video is going to be a makeup vlog. So let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna use my moisturizer because that's the first step in any makeup. So yep. So a good amount of moisturization both. So I've already used the powder and foundation on my eyes, so now I'll do the eye makeup in the beginning, and after that I'll be doing the entire face makeup. So I'm going to go for a very for a night look. So I'm gonna do a blue eyeshadow or something like that. So I'm gonna use this past curfew or the dark blue color from the Milani Gilded Violet eyeshadow palette, and I'll just put it in the corner. Now I'll use this brush to mix it up. I use the same color on the entire lid because it's the complete blue color look. So yeah, we will not waste a lot of time in doing or thinking a lot about what to do. And I'll take this brush and I'll mix it just to make it like a bit even and not like it is too dark or at some places or something like that. Put this glitter, like blue glitters over there, so to make it look more blue, because if you have seen my other video when I just reviewed this palette, I told you that it looks blue only after we use this glitters as well. So yeah, I'm trying to make it look blue. So the eye makeup is done pretty perfectly, so it has good angles and all. So now I'll be moving on to the facial makeup now. I'll be using the primer pretty quick. So now I'll be using this Revlon Color Stay foundation. So not a lot, a bit, just pumps. Along with that, I will mix this iconic London Illuminator, a few drops, few by few I mean just one drop. So you see, okay. So I'll mix it with my hand. Okay, pretty quick. Now I'll put it everywhere. Including the neck. Using this brush to mix it up. Yep, pretty cool. I'll do the contouring and highlighting. So yes, for the highlighting I'm using my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer. For the contour, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Fit Me 330 Toffee Shade Foundation. So just one drop here, one drop there. Okay, two drops maybe. One here, one here, one here. Where is the wrong place? Okay.
I'll do the contouring thing. So I'm using this beauty sponge. And now for the concealer, I'm going to use this brush.
So now I'm using my regular powder that I use, the Lakme Rose Powder. So now I'll be using this Catrice Glazing Bronzing Powder as a bronzer. So yes. So now I'm going to use the eyeliner and the white kajal or white pencil. So I'll do this behind the camera. So I'm done with that, and now that is done, so I'm going to use the blush. So obviously I'm going to use the Milani blush. So not a lot, I'll use its brush. I'm gonna take that. This portion. Now I'm going to use the highlight on the high points of my face. So obviously I'm going to use this color from the Milani Gilded Violet eyeshadow and highlighter palette. Wow, I got that right in one go. I've used this lipstick, a Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink lipstick in the shade 15 Lover. So yeah, and now I will be setting my entire makeup with the help of this Intuit makeup spray. It's alcohol free and it is again a new addition in my collection. So yes, you can see it. So yeah, it's written alcohol free. Yeah, it's good. So I'm just gonna keep it at some distance and spray it. This is how my makeup looks right now. I'll just change. So yeah, this is the final look, and just let me know how did you like today's video. So do not forget to like this video, share this video with all your family members and friends, and yes, make sure you subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you again in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.